Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Friday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Got 1 day's worth of growth. Need a shave. I've been gone. I've been dealing with some life things. And I'm not going to talk any more about that. So today's shave soap is by Stirling, thumbnail. And this is Stirling Black. You guys might know this. You may have already seen it. But it's based on or inspired by Polo Black. And let me tell you, if you are smelling off the tub, your nose may tell you something that is not accurate. Before I get going, I'm going to put a little picture right here of everything I used, and then I'm going to briefly talk about it, do a little switch up from the normal routine. I've got on my card here, the scent notes is a woody blend, iced mango, silver armoise, saying that wrong, sandalwood, and patchouli. Now, for me, this is a kind of iconic or a classic scent, and I have it already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. I went with this PAA Astreaus Brush because it's got the black knot to it that you can't see because it's got the lather on it. But anyway, I used 1/4 teaspoon and 14 mils of water. That's where my lather came out nicely for me. It's kind of where I like it. But anyway, the scent on this is, I'm not really sure how to fully describe it. It's, and I don't have the splash to it, but it's like a slightly woody and slightly sweet. And when I say slightly, I mean just a little hint. I'm going to be using this Dovo's Master Razor. And so this particular scent is, it makes me curious when I smell it. It's not overpowering, but yet it's not way down there where you can't smell it. I feel like if someone was to be close to you, whether it be in a restaurant or an evening night out or just at the grocery store, if they smell it, they're going to be like, that smells nice. And but it's not too like in your face type smell. But it's very pleasant. I guess that's kind of where I'm going to leave the description. All right, pass number 1 with the grain. Try to go back here and not hit my ear like I did that one time. Nice. The soap, you get 5.8 ounces in the tub, which is quite a bit. The soap doesn't have a whole lot of residual slickness to it, but it is there. If you need a little bit more slickness, you may add a pre-shave. Got some messages coming in. All right, well, let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 2. I went to make my lather today and could not find my 1/4 teaspoon scoop. I guess on my last shave the other day, I got this little basket sitting on this little shelf thingy we have. And when I was putting all my stuff up that I use routinely, like the little water dropper, 1/4 teaspoon and all that stuff, I got this little cup in there that I soak my brush in. When I put that 1/4 teaspoon in there, or I was putting something in there, and I heard like a ching, like something had fell out and hit the floor. And I looked around, I couldn't find anything. And my wife was in the bathroom, so I got slightly distracted. She was getting ready and I was doing my thing over here. I think whenever I did that in the basket, it's got the little handles that you stick your hand in. It's like a wicker basket. And I guess that little soaking cup that I have, I must have thought I was putting it in there, but I didn't. It must have been at an angle. It went right through the handhold and into the trash can. Goodbye, 1/4 teaspoon scoop. All right, pass number 2 with or across the grain. I was very sad. I looked all over the place thinking maybe I put it somewhere else. And that's when I decided I must have, that must have been what happened. I don't know, could be wrong. Most likely right. It's a little frustrating, but stuff like that happens. Anything new in your shave world? Have you broke down, bought anything new, got rid of anything? Comment below and let me know. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. I had a nice shave. No nicks, gushers, bleeders, weepers that I know of yet. I'm going to use a little Stirling Unscented Splash. I may have to go back and buy that splash. I'm not really sure. Need to see if the wife approves. A little bit of Star Jelly. That is the shave for the day. I'm not sure when I'll see you guys next time, but it'll be on the next shave video. You guys have a great rest of your weekend.